Whipped cream is a versatile and delightful topping that can elevate the taste and presentation of various desserts and beverages. Whether you're planning to adorn your homemade pies, cakes, or hot chocolate with a dollop of luscious whipped cream, mastering the art of making it at home is a skill that every home cook should have in their repertoire. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of creating perfect whipped cream right in your own kitchen. Before diving into the process of making whipped cream, gather the necessary equipment to ensure a smooth and successful outcome. Choose a large, preferably chilled, mixing bowl. A metal bowl works best as it helps the cream chill faster. While a manual whisk can be used for smaller quantities, an electric mixer, handheld or stand, is more efficient for larger batches and ensures consistent results. Look for cream with a high fat content, usually labeled as heavy cream, whipping cream, or double cream. The fat content is crucial for achieving the desired texture. Granulated sugar, powdered sugar, or other sweeteners like honey or maple syrup can be used to add sweetness to the whipped cream. For flavor enhancement, vanilla extract can be added. Place your mixing bowl and beaters, if using an electric mixer, in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes before whipping. Cold equipment helps the cream whip faster and hold its shape. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Step-by-step whipped cream making. Chill equipment. As mentioned earlier, start by placing your mixing bowl and beaters, or whisk, in the refrigerator for a brief period. This helps in maintaining a cold environment while whipping the cream, preventing it from curdling and allowing it to thicken more efficiently. Measure cream. Measure the amount of heavy cream you need for your recipe. Keep in mind that the cream will roughly double in volume after whipping, so adjust the quantity accordingly. Add sweetener and flavor if desired. If you're using a sweetener like granulated sugar or powdered sugar, add it to the cold heavy cream. For a basic whipped cream, a general guideline is 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar per cup of cream. You can adjust this based on your taste preferences. Additionally, a splash of vanilla extract can be added to enhance the flavor. Start whipping. Begin whipping the cream using either a whisk or an electric mixer set to medium speed. As the cream incorporates air, you'll notice it gradually thickening and increasing in volume. Monitor consistency. Pay close attention to the cream's consistency as you whip. It will go through different stages. Soft peaks. At this stage, the cream will be thicker, but still have a slightly liquid texture. When you lift the whisk or beaters, the cream will form peaks that softly curl over. Firm peaks. The cream will continue to thicken, and the peaks formed will be firmer and more pronounced. The cream will hold its shape better. Stiff peaks. At this point, the peaks will stand upright without collapsing. Be cautious not to overwhip, as the cream can turn into butter. Stop at the right time. Knowing when to stop whipping is essential for achieving the perfect whipped cream consistency. Stop whipping as soon as you reach the desired level of thickness. Overwhipping can lead to the cream becoming grainy or turning into butter. Freshly whipped cream is at its prime, so if possible, use it immediately as a topping for your desserts or beverages. If you need to store it for a short time, transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. However, keep in mind that whipped cream is best enjoyed freshly made. Learning how to make whipped cream at home is a culinary skill that opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your desserts and beverages. With the right equipment, technique, and a bit of practice, you can achieve perfect whipped cream every time. Remember to start with chilled equipment and heavy cream. Add your preferred sweetener and flavorings. Whip to the right consistency, and stop at the appropriate time to avoid overwhipping. The result will be a luscious, cloud-like topping that adds a touch of elegance and indulgence to your culinary creations. So go ahead, whip up some magic in your kitchen and enjoy the heavenly delight of homemade whipped cream.